Sweetheart. Do you love me?
No. Do you want to marry me? No.
Do you want to spend the rest of your life with me?
Nope.
I think I'll just go now.
It's okay. Get away from me! What's wrong with you? I don't love you. Then go home! Go big or go home. Got no football game, okay? Sorry.
Okay, so what were you gonna say to me?
This is what I'm gonna say to you. Get away from me, you freak! You're lesbian and I'm not like that. No! I don't love you.
She loves me.
No. Yeah, she does.
She loves me. She just doesn't want to admit it on camera because she
Get off me! I hate you! I know you touched my food.